Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Vaughn and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Vaughn and in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be having a wash day. We're going to be doing a bit of a talk through of a wash day using a new line of products. This is from MIELLE. This is their Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger line. These products were sent to me by APScott TT or APScott. They are the local distributors for MIELLE, and so we have a few of the products of the line. It's not the entire line, I will get into that in a little bit, but we do have a few basic products from the line. So this is my first time trying the products from MIELLE, or these products from MIELLE. I've only ever tried 2 other products, I think, from MIELLE on the whole, so this is very fun, very interesting. I have seen the line on the shelves and the packaging has been a bit enticing, but again, thank you to APScott for sending me these products so that we could do this wash day. Alright, so we are gonna get into it. Of course, my wash day routine is pretty basic. Well, it's basic for me. So my usual wash day is the shampoo, deep conditioner, and then I do my leave-ins and my roller set. Pre-shampoo, depending on the vibe, I may or may not do like a pre-shampoo treatment. Depends on what my hair feels like at the time. If you watched my relaxer updates, if you didn't, I'll post it down below. But in that video, I mentioned that because I was having a lot of buildup on my scalp, in talks with my hairdresser, the plan for now is to do an apple cider vinegar rinse before my wash days. However, before this wash day, so this wash day was on a Monday. On Saturday, I ended up in the beach and I went fully on into the beach. And after coming out of the beach, I did a mini wash day, which was a shampoo, a basic like 5-minute conditioner, and then I air dried my hair. I did that because I anticipated going in the pool on Sunday. Now I did not wet my hair in the pool on Sunday, but I was also still very tired, so I delayed my full wash day till the Monday. So that's a bit of a background and disclaimer as to how I was going into this wash day. I'm 1 week post relaxer and this was my first full wash day. Another point to note, if you watch my relaxer update, you know that I am going to be using the same product line for the next month to see how my hair and scalp reacts to it. So luckily enough, we have a full line here to see how it goes for the next few weeks. Alright, so in the package I was sent the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free product and it's infused with avocado and ginger to hydrate your curls. Of course, my hair is relaxed. I don't really have curls, especially now. I definitely don't have any curls. They've all been relaxed. So, I mean, hair is hair, whatever. So, it says it gently cleanses and replenishes moisture back to dry, damaged hair. It's infused with ingredients such as avocado and ginger. This moisturizing shampoo transforms your dry, thirsty curls to shiny, hydrated, healthier hair. Now, looking at the ingredients, there is no obvious protein in the ingredients. Lots of coconut oil, sweet almond oil, ginger root oil. There's the cocamide or propylamine oxide, which I believe is a cleansing agent, but not as harsh as the sulfates. So no parabens, no sulfates, no paraffins, no mineral oil, and no animal testing. Yeah, so fully moisture, no proteins in here. Now getting into how it felt on my hair. Remember, I did wash my hair the day before, 2 days before, so my hair was pretty clean, and so I only went in with this one time on my hair and it did the job. My hair did feel clean. Also, another disclaimer, my hair has been kind of feeling weird since my relaxer, like even after the mini wash day and I did the leave-in and everything. My hair of course was frizzy because it was an air dry situation, but it wasn't feeling like really soft. And even during this first week, I believe I did moisturize my hair like once or twice, and even then, like, it didn't necessarily feel as soft and smooth as I would like it to. So my hair was feeling weird before, so the effects of these products may not necessarily be the products itself, but it could be a combination of the products and just how my hair was feeling. Anyway, it didn't strip my hair. It was a pretty normal shampoo experience. It wasn't very moisturizing, I wouldn't say. I don't think anything can beat the Cream of Nature sulfate free what's it called, the Cream of Nature shampoo, Moisture and Shine shampoo that I absolutely love. I don't think any shampoo has beaten that when it comes to being a moisturizing shampoo. Like, you can feel the effects of that shampoo. This one, I didn't really feel any moisturizing effect, but I can say I did not feel any stripping effect. Again, I only went in once because my hair was recently washed. I didn't think my hair really needed that, and I feel like if I did go in with a second wash, I would feel a little bit closer to the stripped side. Alright, so moving on to the next product. This is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Conditioner. Again, formulated to deliver moisture and hydration to condition every hair strand. Let's see on the back. Yeah, it says pretty much the same thing. And the instructions for this one say to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly, and then follow up with the rest of the products in the line. Looking at the ingredients, again, honestly, there's lots of ingredients that go into hair products. Right now, I mean, I'm not a scientist and I haven't delved any further than just looking for moisture versus protein product ingredients. If you want a deeper look into moisture versus protein ingredients, definitely I'll link the video down below. Hairlicious went into detail in explaining that and pointing out those ingredients. I looked at that video. It has helped me. Sometimes I have to reference it back because, you know, sometimes the things I forget. But yeah, again, we have argan oil, avocado oil, aloe juice, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, ginger root oil. Okay, so coming down to the end of the ingredients here, I see hydrolyzed oat protein. Then we have sugar cane extract, sugar maple extract, okay, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, rose hip seed oil. Okay, so out of all of that, there's literally only one protein down in the ingredient list, and it's pretty far down, as well as completely surrounded with a whole lot of oils. So I wouldn't really count this as a protein conditioner. I wouldn't even really count this as a light protein conditioner. This is pretty much giving moisture. Now, in terms of how it worked for me, again, like I mentioned earlier, my usual second step, or after shampoo, I just go in with a deep conditioner, so something that's labeled hair mask, hair treatment, and I usually put that on. I mean, most times those things are also instructed to be on for 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. You know how we do. Sometimes we leave it on for an hour, especially with my thermal cap on, you know. But I trying to follow the instructions this time around. So I applied the conditioner to my hair. It is a pretty thick conditioner, and it comes in this pump. For how thick it is, I think it definitely would have been easier in a tub, because pressing this, especially with slippery hands, is kind of tough. But I guess you could put it on the table and it'll be easier to just go like that. Anyway, it is a pretty thick conditioner for one that is in a bottle. While applying it to my hair, I do feel as though it absorbed well into my hair as I was working it in. It didn't feel as though it's just sitting on top of my hair. Again, remember, my hair was feeling pretty wet, and so as I was applying it, I did notice a difference, and I feel like it did make my hair feel softer in the moment. I also went in and used my white tooth comb to detangle. My hair wasn't really that tangled, so it's pretty easy, just a pretty simple, easy detangling process, and I guess the conditioner definitely made it a little bit easier. It didn't make the process worse, which is a good thing. Now, in this line, let me show you. In the box, they actually gave me a little booklet, and in the booklet, there's like the different, what do you call these things? The different product lines, and they kind of say what the product line is best for. So the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger product line, they say here is the #1 for type 3 curly hydrated hair. So the full product line consists of the shampoo and the conditioner, as I've shown you, but they also have an overnight conditioner. I'm not too sure if I would actually use it as an overnight conditioner rather than something to just leave in for a little bit longer. We do know about high girl fatigue and the fact that if you leave in conditioners for too long, it can actually do more harm than good, where it adds too much moisture to the hair strand and makes it, again, easier to just stretch and break. If they gave me this, I'd probably use this as my second step. Either way, I use this. I actually left it in for about half an hour. I really did try to stick to the 5 minutes, but it ended up being not 15 minutes, but it ended up being like a half an hour. Pretty normal. And by the time I went to rinse it out of my hair, again, you guys know I like to mention sometimes conditioners, you put it in your hair, it feels good, whatever, and then you rinse it out and it literally goes out and it feels as though it has done nothing for your hair. Did not have that experience with this conditioner. Again, my hair still was feeling weird. It wasn't feeling as soft and as, like, you know, moisturized and soft as I'd really like it to feel. You know, when you run your fingers along the hair strand, it could feel smooth, or it could feel kind of frizzy, or I want to say prickly, but that's probably not the best way to use, but I feel like you'll understand what I mean if I say that. It's just not smooth, it's really bumpy, and that's because, of course, the hair strand and cuticle and all of that is pretty open. And let me just wrap it up. The conditioner was fine. So far, between the conditioner and the shampoo, nothing has really wowed me in the process, but it's going good, it's not going bad. I then went in with the leave-in, and this is again the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Adds moisture with our new Super Hydrating Hawaiian Ginger Leave-In Conditioner. This product delivers moisture like you wouldn't believe. Wow. Keep thirsty hair hydrated by locking in moisture from root to tip. Not only does it restore shine, but it eliminates frizz and delivers long-lasting curl definition. Again, we know I don't have any curls. So looking at the ingredients here, we have glycerin, some benjamin methyl sulfate, cetearyl alcohol, and stearyl alcohol, which are all moisturizing agents. Some more sweet almond oil, avocado oil, sesame seed oil, olive oil, some perfume, okay, some ginger root oil. I don't know what kind of oil that extract, no protein, right? Which is great, because again, I don't 100% like to put protein products in my hair. Relaxed hair is dry hair, and so my aim is to just replenish the moisture in pretty much every step. So this leave-in conditioner is pretty thick. Yeah, so it is a pretty thick leave-in conditioner, and so I applied it to my hair. Again, remember, my hair was feeling pretty weird, so at the end of it, I feel like I may have applied a bit too much. My hair did feel kind of thick with product. In addition to this, I used my super skinny serum. I know how that product works for me. I know that it leaves my hair feeling really good and soft, and I wasn't, you know, confident in this product on its own, so I said, let me use something that I know works well in my hair. So I did that. I used those two only as my leave-ins, and I went in, combed through, whatever, did my roller set. Again, pretty thick product. It did feel like if it was adding moisture to my hair. It didn't feel like it was, I mean, it looked 1 out of 2, 1 out of 5. Kind of felt like if it was just sitting on my hair, but then again, the rest of it felt like it was doing something. My hair didn't feel, again, I just wasn't wowed by it as I was using it. I mentioned that I feel like I kind of used a lot of the product, because remember, again, my hair was just feeling weird, and I feel like I tried to compensate by using more product so that I could feel confident and, you know, feel my hair soft and feel it feeling good before moving on to the roller set. Anyway, that was that for the products. So after that, now I did my roller set, and I sat down under the dryer for a while. Sat down underneath there for I think like an hour and a half, and parts of my hair was still damp by the end of it, probably because I put so much leave-in product in my hair, but it's whatever. And then this is pretty much how my hair looks after the wash day. Now, you have heard me say multiple times I wasn't particularly wowed by any of the products, but after taking down my roller set and combing out my hair, wrapping my hair, and then combing it back down, I am pleasantly surprised. My hair feels much better than it did before. You can feel the moisture. My strands do feel a bit smoother individually, so I'm very happy about that. However, as you can see, I don't know if you could tell, you could definitely tell that my hair is a bit product filled. It still has some movement, but there is a bit of weight to my hair, and that is all because of me and this product. But it still feels good, and I'm again pleasantly surprised by the final outcome. I really did not expect it to be this good. Like, I low-key was preparing myself to flat iron my hair because I just wanted it to look and feel smoother. I think at the end of it all, it did turn out to be a good wash day. My hair doesn't hate the products. I can't say 100% that they enjoyed them, but they definitely don't hate the products, and because of the experience, I do believe that I can continue to use the products next week. And if you guys saw that white line, please ignore it. But yeah, I do believe I am able to use these products again and see how they continue to work for me as I continue to use them. I've never been the type of person to use one full line of products repeatedly, so this is gonna be new for me. But we'll see how it goes. The last product that they sent in this package was the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. Because of how my hair feels now, I'm definitely not putting this in my hair, but I may use it during the week if I feel like my hair needs a bit of moisture. Right now, I don't think that will be the case. I feel like I could probably make it to next week's wash day without touching my hair. Probably add a little bit of oil or serum during the week. I don't usually use hair butters in my hair as moisturizers, but I mean, I do have it and I will give it a try. The directions first, it says to apply to damp or dry hair, and of course just go through the normal process, whatever. The ingredients: coconut oil, vegetable glycerin, moisture, some moisture stuff. Yeah, so again, no protein. So when they say this is a Moisture RX line, they definitely mean Moisture RX. There's only one protein noted in the entire of these 4 products I have. I was gonna say in the entire line, but I don't have the entire line. So out of the 4 products I have, only one of them has a 1 protein, so it's giving very much moisture. So that is pretty much it for my wash day using the MIELLE Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger line. All in all, I think out of 10 I'll rate it a 6.5 out of 10 in terms of the wash day, maybe pushing it up to a 7. It did in the end turn out to be a good wash day. I wasn't particularly wowed by any of the products individually, but by the end of it, I was impressed with how my hair felt. In the rest of the line, there's also the, well, like I mentioned, the overnight conditioner. They also have a moisturizing styling gel, which wouldn't necessarily make sense to give to me because curly hair girls usually use gel more often. I kind of stay away from gel. I don't really use gel at all. Then the last product would be the moisturizing scalp treatment, which is infused with menthol, ginger, and avocado oil, which provides relief for a dry, itchy scalp. That product, if they had sent me that, I'd actually be happy because you guys know I've been dealing with like itchy scalp buildup on my scalp, whatever. So that is something I might have actually wanted to try as well. But out of 7 products, we have 4 to try, so I think that's a fair judgment of the entire line. Also, just side note, Hawaiian Ginger, the ginger scent in hair products is kind of weird. I wouldn't say it's my favorite scent in a hair product at all. It's not an overpowering, like overly sweet, unbearable scent, but the ginger scent is kind of interesting. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for my first impression and review of the MIELLE Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger line, at least the 4 products that I do have. If you are interested in the products, at least locally, I think they will be, or they are available in Pennywise. If not, and you're not from Trinidad or whatever the case is, I'm pretty sure you could buy them online, whether it be from MIELLE directly or on Amazon. If you are interested in this line, or you've seen this line and wanted to try, or you have this line and have thoughts, let us know in the comments below. When I posted this on my Instagram, out of the people who commented to say that they've used the line, most of the comments weren't necessarily pro the line, so I was kind of biased before even starting the process, but I'm glad that I personally had a good enough experience. Give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified for any further videos. Make sure to follow me on my social media. I most likely will be talking about the products and how they continue to work for me on my Instagram or TikTok, as well as in my vlogs. So again, make sure to follow me pretty much everywhere and you will stay updated. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.